Hello dear students, I hope you're doing well. Today, you will learn about extreme adjectives. So let's get started. What are extreme adjectives? In simple words, extreme adjectives are words that mean extremely plus adjective. For example, the extreme adjective boiling means extremely hot or very hot. As you could notice in this example, that the extreme adjective boiling can be used instead of saying extremely hot or very hot. Please remember that in most cases, it is not necessary to use very with extreme adjectives. For example, this show is very hilarious, sounds a little strange because the extreme adjective hilarious is a strong enough word that doesn't need the adverb, very, to add extra strength. Now, I invite you to explore some regular adjectives with their extreme version. Feel free to pause the video and read them carefully. Angry, furious, bad, awful, terrible, horrible, big, huge, gigantic, giant, clean, spotless, cold, freezing, crowded, packed, dirty, filthy, funny, hilarious, good, wonderful, fantastic, excellent, hot, boiling, hungry, starving, interesting, fascinating, old, ancient, pretty, gorgeous, scary, terrifying, small, tiny, surprising, astounding, tired, exhausted, ugly, hideous. Dear students, the lesson ends here. I hope you have learned something new about adjectives today. See you soon in another lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends and classmates.
If you liked the lesson, subscribe, activate the bell, click like and comment. Finally, share the video.